Hello ladies and gentlemen, those in between, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Everett, and for today's video, we're going to be reacting to another Maybes video. Sorry guys. Nagawan ko na to na reaction video yesterday, yung official video nila. But this fan cam video came out earlier, I don't know, maybe yesterday. But I was like, my God, I gotta see this. Kasi minsan, may nakikita tayong mga bagay sa fan cam video na hindi natin nakikita sa official video. So, yung titig talaga ni Bimbi, no? I don't think napakita yan sa official video. But as for this, one more guys, panoorin natin ulit. Let's focus our attention on Bimbi's facial expressions. Lalo na yung pagkatitig niya kay Raiza. Okay? I don't exactly know what's going on with the camera. Hey, camera, wag kang stop acting up, camera, please. Oh my God, yung titig talaga, yung titig. I'm not exactly sure I'm not exactly sure whether Bimbi is just doing this for the sake of, pakikiligin yung mga viewers, pero iba eh. Iba na to. Level up na talaga yung maybe. I don't exactly know bakit ang dilim ng camera ko. Camera, stop acting up. Wag kang, how do you call this? Wag kang apple. Yes. Ayan o. Umi-apple yung camera ko. Parang all of a sudden dumidilim. Ang bright kaya ng mood pag nanood ng maybe. Tapos ikaw, camera, bina-darken mo yung mood. Bina-bring down mo yung mood. Bakit tayo? Wait, hindi to napakita sa official video, sa live stream. Hindi. Nagawakan. Ang aggressive niya ni Bimbi. Ang aggressive niya, Okay, wait a moment. Let me pause the video right here kasi I want to make sure na gagamitin ko yung word correctly. I think touchy-feely. I think yun yung correct word. Touchy. Give me a few seconds, guys. Touchy-feely. Yeah, meaning. Yes. Touchy-feely is an informal naaano ako sa Lazada, sa mga Shopee, mga ganyan. Na-distract. Okay, let me read it for you guys. Touchy-feely. Feely is an informal adjective that describes people or situations that are very affectionate through physical touching, overly open with their emotions, or focus on feelings rather than logic. So, yes. Kasi, I think, if I'm not, sorry guys I just want to make sure na ginagamit ko yung word correctly. Kasi, touchy, yung touchy na word, it means easily offended, needing careful handling, or sensitive to physical contact. Yun yung word na touchy. So, that's not, kasi mananarinig ako na, our fellow Filipinos using this word, ay, napaka-touchy ni Bimbi. For example, ganyan. Actually, that's not correct, technically. So, the correct word is touchy-feely. Okay? Touchy-feely. Napaka-touchy-feely ni Bimbi. Come on! on, Bimbi. It's your turn. Ayan na. Ano tawag dito? Like when you watch them share sweet moments together, parang nakakabata ng pakiramdam. I'm 45 years old, I'm turning 46 soon. Pero parang feeling ko teenager ako pag pinapanood ko silang dalawa. You know what I mean? And I love that feeling. And like I said in my previous reaction video, the two of them remind me a lot of how beautiful it is to be in love. Sobrang sarap na in love. Yeah. Maybe ideally, but realistically, I don't know. No comment na ako dyan. Sino yung yan? Ayan na si Jose, oh. May pagka... Okay, don't get me wrong, guys, I love Jose. Pero sana naman, wag siyang... I hope he doesn't steal the spotlight. I hope he doesn't steal the thunder from maybe. Kasi pag, kunyari, you know, kilig na yung audience, parang happy na ang mood. Tapos biglang, you know, he gets in the scene na maghahampas-hampas siya, manulak-tulak siya. Hindi siya, I don't like it. I don't like it. Kasi when he has his moment, nagsashine naman siya as a comedian. Sobrang galing kaya ni Jose as a comedian. Pero mga ganitong scene, na parang he wants to be part of the scene, wag na. You know, just stay behind, just enjoy the moment. Wag nang manulak-tulak. Sorry, I'm just being honest. Mabuti pa yung mga ganyan, sila yung nagaganon-ganon. Ayan, no. Kinikilig din naman si Jose. Pero parang... Huwag kayong ganyan. Talaga ba? Dapat lang. Riza May has never been in a relationship, so for sure, she doesn't have like a lot of ideas kung paano i-handle yung relationship. Kasi napaka-precious ng first time, kumaga. So, yeah. Kung seryoso ka, Bimbi, sana alagaan mo yung puso ni Riza May. Ano bang nangyayari sa camera ko? Bakit ang dilim? Ayan na naman si Jose, oh. Naiirita ako, honestly. Panira siya ng moment. Sorry, Sorry. Panira ng moment. Sorry. I'm just being honest. Sana wag lagyan ng mga ganun-ganun. Wag haluan ng mga hindi nakakatawa. Si Ma'am Alan Kay talaga napaka-genuine. Ma'am Alan Kay talaga napaka-genuine ng reactions niya. That is why favorite ko talaga siya na comedian. Nakasmile lang siya. Thank you. Alright guys, what do you think of this fan cam video? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so if you have any other suggestions, recommendations, request any videos that are associated with maybe, just feel free to share the links to these videos in the comment section below. Para kung meron akong free time, gagawan ko ng reaction video. Okay, so anyway, I guess that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when my next video comes out. Peace out.
どこに行こう、どこに行こう。